Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Say somebody they talk to Frankie Rabot, the secretary to the palace. You know, it's so disgraceful to hear all this nonsense. Now here Roland Dehod for misbehave your mother to the Obanejo, not just to the palace. As in, he's a very close person to Oba, which is Roland Dehod. All the atrocity Roland Dehod committed, Warokmano Lajian, Dogwe Roland Dehod Gwan Ero. Dogwa Yoge Roland Dehod Nyi no Nyi for impersonating the palace, for using the name of the palace to cause havoc in various communities around Edo State. Wamagwe Roland Dehod Gwan for doing that. Wamagwe is a secretary of Gwan, which is Frankie Rabot. Who is Frankie Rabot? Frankie Rabot is a public servant. Frankie Rabot is not a member of the royal family. Okay? So, with the Edos, we're supposed to be checking him out. Making sure where he's not, where Oma gets involved in all those fraudulent activities. Most of the letters no are cause a problem in different communities. Frankie Rabot sign. Most of the letters Roland Dehod said different community. Egwagiunreo, Egwagbebereo. Frankie Rabot also have a letter ni. The letter head of the palace. The letter of Baron Oke Palace in Latian without going through Frankie Rabot. It's the secretary of Tanzania. And we sign it on behalf of the Oba of Benin. Umianya. And any letter of conflict in it is respected. So Frankie Rabot abused his office. He abused office here. Me many amana sake guy here. Because he done a Roland Dehod. Roland Dehod did not commit that crime alone. Frankie Rabot play a role in it. So it's a very shameful and disgraceful thing to a year though. After seeing all that, apart from social media president Frank Victor, who showed that a dumb man with social media, or woman or Latin, Paitro with Guayohere, no girl don't tell me now. And this other activist, you know, Red Dog Maluagbo. You know, no girl don't tell me now. No can get Roland Dehod take over Frankie Rabot, the secretary to the Benin Palace, and Roland Dehod. By using the name of our monarch to commit havoc in various communities. Thanks to social media president Frank Victor. I'm telling you, they when I team and yam matter now with social media. Ne Frankie Rabot Roland Dehod ite a social media president in Mwe na Lajane before EFCC arrest Roland Dehod. Yeah, matter more. The way the social media president had the way when you when they Roland Dehod be what? Oh, she arriva. That boy committed a lot of atrocity. In fact, we not see a different community. A problem no see ba. Oto ni ya here ne. Roland Dehod every government. Frankie Rabot every government. And the policy might give Vinya that authorization. Ama authorizing ya here with different village. Plans. Every village ever. And Ekini Adoni, they was using the name of the palace Waro pa no ladia. No do we kile Rolande ho do. No gele sagbada unu yata. When the social media president we from Victoria Temina ero. Eba wala je o ma go a secretary go. That secretary should be sacked. Frank Rabo should be kekeni answer kienya. What can you buy a palace? Ebe nye baro ya vinel with the letter Edore Palace. Ni aya tore ye gwagbe une gwamage ya winya gwage. That man not supposed to be there. Frank Rabo should have been sacked. They should have relieved him from office in Yegeni. Okay, yeah, they will send him packing. When I go Frank Rabo, he's a public servant. Frank Rabo, the secretary to the Benin monarch, is a full public servant. We are here to check him out. Our Igbo is similar. We are here to check him out. Go to ITV Benin now. Go to their Facebook page. We give me a video on our community now. Eri afio dion we eri ojo we gbu ujo ha no give ye boss orere o. Iya ge palace no ge wosu na eri ahio to enenemi. Eri ahio to enokpa. Eri eri awo ge ogwagi eri afie badri eri ama ba popo yojo. Rudia bere no we e matter na like social media ni. E da do ga yan you behave gbiyan. And kewe a master here which is Rolande Hoy. E Rolande Hoy no waru wegwa ba no gunya master mademi ya no gunya plan emi ya. E Rolande Hoy ogun ya tie full community agegwa. Owe obatiyan. Owe babatiyan. That is how that boy have managed to, my God, drag the name of the palace to the mud. Ogyun, and Ogyun no yagie, agbe letter, a letter ni don't sign eh. Erola de Ogyun no ya full community adiegwa, owe obatiyan, a letter gben, a letter ni asane, Frank Rabo. It's head of your come and tell the people that it was not aware that Obama get on a deco that where Obama get on a deco while working or up. You can't say that because a letter ne Frank sign no cause a mayhem, cause a havoc, cause a problem a different a various community. Opa, Eva, Eha, plenty, no. They was making billions out of it. They was making dirty money out of it. At the end of the day, Ozani ya fefefe and yana the egg unya regwa. Yana the egg unya egg. So all those busy where awinya a bawa do latian do aware. E not back where Frank Rabo gwan. What was another Frank Rabo gwan? I Frank Rabo na gwan. I Frank Rabo na gwan. Any letter no ba more authorized. Ni use a letter e di ore gwaya gbene. That is fraudulent. A forgery ni hiya forgery. So Frank Rabo suppose no market no ya repositioning keke ni ansaki. Kini Rolande Hora do a letter Rolande Hora maybe ya no asa no Frank Rabo. So yeah, okay near banishing from the air suspension ya ba kunya fair. So Frank Rabo is a public servant. Frank Rabo and Rolande Hora, both of them they have committed a lot of atrocity using the name of the palace. It's shocking to the responsible Edo people around the globe where a Frank Rabo or Yeruwegwa. Frank Rabo you boy are doing she when me yagijena. I don't where I didn't know how one see me. Frank Rabo you boy va doing she now. Cause you better no sooner that Rolande Ho. You better where I'm knocking your bine on my way to what we right back. So any Edo person can speak. Can talk to Frank Rabo. Rolande Ho your position Mama Joy, good morning, Mama. God bless you. Edeya mwe Ronaldo ko ye position nga aje ni Ronaldo ko do ya miegbe as Saloboa. Agbo modagbon omoda yi wa regbegbon omoda wa regbegbon eyin do ya fi wo Saloboa yen hin. Odo ya dusa no do ni. Data kaka bo wa fi a ojin yan gbe na do ya fi a ojin yan gbe na. Iyan misbehave. Any community ani agi yo wa eri agbe letari. Eri egwa se gwe ma se okay, any other letter on social media, they can verify it. There are people that will make sure where a girl is gualotoy. Yamari here. Ronaldo ko be Frankrabo yen o toyani here. A letter ne Frankrabo go Ronaldo ko gbe impersonating the palace. Any a forge. Frankrabo Mike no ya ruwe gwa. Okay, can you answer me? The man, you know, atrocity, why your corruption. No, if you budget with some guys, no, we work well, it's too much. Well, one not by petition. It petition. They will go down and submit it to the secretary. A secretary will don't want money. Boy, petition, yeah, they will never get feedback. So atrocity the secretary near commit. O ma ke ni areba. O ma keke no reba. Keke ni ansan isake Frankrabo. So those people are very welcome. Asa we mi ni ata. Etiyan do aba o ge yan wa mo lajan do insult. No. They are speaking the fact and no soon no. They have every right to say it. So that you have a oyi correct gbe agwara hon egwadi an sakin ri won abeje wa no any gbe no no that position they can be abuse office ni. There are people that you know if they do you don't stay confident in palace where I know how come we go write petition go palace we no go hear anything. Those are the guys no dey where emiya me obey dey go. A social media na or nya do dianya or nya dianya. I'm telling you people. So those people were allowed to speak. Frankrabo is not a member of the royal family. He's not a member of Yoba or Yoba Nehere. He's just a secretary. You understand? So we don't expect Yoba himself to be, washing him. Man, washing him. So I mean, we voice out. We draw the attention of the necessary people. No take action. So I know what do I wear? Not by a way Frankrabo one. And they can dig with Emmy ya. Mammy meta. So I know we are doing some. I really want to tell you now. But yeah, I will so.